In the boundless expanse of the cosmos, where silence stretches on for infinity, there exists a single, solitary traveler, Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, this unassuming spacecraft has become humanity's farthest messenger, now venturing into a realm where no human-made object has ever gone before. Through the vast blackness of interstellar space, Voyager 1 continues its lonely journey, carrying not only scientific instruments, but also the hopes of all those who sent it into the unknown. And yet, as it drifts farther away from Earth, beyond the reach of even the most powerful telescopes, it is crossing a boundary that represents the very edge of our solar system. A boundary that, once crossed, will take it into the uncharted territories of the interstellar medium, the region of space that exists between the stars. It is here, at this edge of human exploration, that Voyager 1's mission continues. Its instruments are gathering invaluable data, offering us glimpses into the forces and phenomena that govern not just our solar system, but the entire galaxy. Voyager is not merely a spacecraft. It is a trailblazer, standing on the frontier of the unknown. When Voyager 1 was first launched, the mission seemed straightforward: fly by Jupiter and Saturn, capture their mysteries, and send the data back home. At the time, the solar system still felt vast and mysterious, yet firmly within reach. Scientists were eager to explore the gas giants, their moons, their rings, and the very nature of the outer reaches of the solar system. But Voyager's path had been carefully planned from the start, and what seemed like a simple flyby quickly turned into something more ambitious. The trajectory set for Voyager would not just bring it to the outer planets. It would send it on a path that would eventually carry it beyond the farthest reaches of the solar system, far beyond where even the sun's influence could reach. Voyager's journey into the deep, dark expanse was never truly understood by the engineers and scientists at the time. This was a mission that would span generations, transcending human lifetimes. But what we now realize is that Voyager wasn't just a spacecraft designed to collect data about planets. It was humanity's first exploration into the very heart of space itself. Before we can appreciate the significance of Voyager 1's journey, it's crucial to understand what lies beyond the familiar confines of our solar system. Beyond Neptune, beyond the scattered objects of the Kuiper Belt, beyond the planets we know, lies the interstellar medium. The interstellar medium is not empty space as we often imagine, but a vast, scattered sea of gas, dust, and magnetic fields. It is made up mostly of hydrogen, the building block of stars, and it spans the space between the stars themselves. There, in the void between celestial bodies, cosmic particles move, interwoven with fields of energy and radiation. Although it may appear empty, this medium is anything but still. It's the region where stars are born, where they die, and where the remnants of ancient cosmic explosions, the elements that once formed stars and planets, are scattered. This is the stage on which the universe plays out its endless drama. The interstellar medium is the very fabric of our galaxy. Yet, it is a place we know very little about. Until now, our only knowledge of it was theoretical, deduced from distant observations and models. Voyager 1 is the first to directly encounter it, providing us with real, first-hand data from this enigmatic realm. On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 crossed an extraordinary threshold, the point of no return from our solar system. No longer within the sun's protective bubble, Voyager entered into the vastness of interstellar space, a place where the sun's solar wind no longer reigns. This was humanity's first step into the unknown. Voyager's journey beyond the edge of the heliosphere was not a momentary event. It was marked by subtle yet profound shifts in the data the spacecraft began to send back. The density of particles decreased, as expected, but something else happened too. The nature of the cosmic rays, those high-energy particles that bombard the universe, began to change. The magnetic fields, once influenced by the sun's power, began to shift as well. This was no longer space as we knew it. The interaction between Voyager 1 and the interstellar medium provided the first direct evidence of how our solar system is influenced by the wider galactic environment, opening a window into the forces that shape our place in the universe. What Voyager 1 has provided is nothing short of revolutionary. Its instruments have measured changes in plasma density, the magnetic field, and cosmic radiation, all of which allow us to peer deeper into the mysteries of interstellar space. The data it has returned tells us that the interstellar medium is not uniform. It is shaped by the movement of stars, the explosion of supernovae, and the turbulence of magnetic fields. For the first time, scientists have directly measured the interaction between the solar wind, the outflow of charged particles from the sun, and the interstellar medium. These observations are changing our understanding of space itself. They're showing us how our solar system is moving through this galactic sea, how the sun's influence has created a bubble of charged particles, and how we are constantly affected by the greater galaxy around us. This newfound understanding will not only help us explore the nature of space travel beyond our solar system, but it also reveals the intricate, dynamic relationships between all stars and their surrounding mediums, shaping the lives of galaxies, stars, and planets in ways we are only beginning to understand. As Voyager 1 continues its journey into the unknown, it has become more than just a scientific probe. It has become a symbol of human curiosity, of our unyielding drive to understand the universe around us. Through Voyager, we are sending a message, not only to ourselves but to the universe, that we are explorers, seekers of knowledge, and dreamers who refuse to remain tethered to the familiar. Voyager 1 is not just probing space. It is unraveling the very forces that shape the cosmos. The discoveries it makes will ripple out through science, influencing fields from astrophysics to space exploration, and even offering insight into the future of humanity's ventures into the stars. Each piece of data Voyager sends back is like a new chapter in a story that will continue long after the spacecraft itself has fallen silent. In many ways, Voyager 1 is humanity's first ambassador to the stars. As it sails through the vastness of interstellar space, it carries with it not just scientific instruments, but a golden record, our message to the cosmos, a snapshot of who we are, where we come from, and the dreams we dare to pursue. As Voyager 1 journeys farther from Earth, it grows ever more distant, drifting into the blackness of the galaxy. One day, its radio signals will fade, and its golden record will be the only remnant of its remarkable journey. But the legacy of Voyager will endure, inspiring future generations to explore, to question, and to seek the answers to the mysteries that surround us. What started as a mission to explore the outer reaches of the solar system has become an enduring symbol of humanity's curiosity and determination. The path Voyager 1 has blazed is a path that will lead to future missions, to deeper explorations of space, and perhaps, one day, to the answers to the most profound questions we have about the universe. For now, Voyager 1 continues its endless journey through the stars, an unyielding testament to our desire to explore, to discover, and to connect with the cosmos in ways never before imagined.